Hi guys, I got snacks. Guys, my name is Nikita Nair and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, etc. As you all know that I've been on a health kick recently, and since I snack a lot, I was thinking of a better, healthier alternative. So I decided to buy a lot of snacks from Snackable. And to help me unbox this thing, welcome this girl. Wish her happy birthday. Thanks. Now. My phone completely busted and we recorded a lot of stuff and now it's all gone.
Do it again like we're trying it for the first time.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it again and give you our honest reactions once again.
We're dedicated to the content. She bought snacks.
I got a lot of snacks. It's like so much snacks. I've ordered 18 snacks in total. I've attached the bill as well. As you can see, I ordered 7 different snacks, and at the bottom of the bill you can see the snack box with 11 snacks. And the delivery time was 5 to 8 days and it came in like 7 days. First thing we're gonna try for the second time are the pita chips, chili garlic, herb and cheese. I hate cheese.
Tastes like nothing I've ever had before. Oh wait, I just tried this 2 minutes ago. It tastes like nothing. It tastes like apple.
I don't like the herb and chip. I love the chili garlic in fact. I don't know why. It's kind of spicy.
I feel like these pita chip thingies, they taste like nothing with a little bit of flavor in it. Are pita chips healthy in general?
I don't
If
know.
they are.
It might be healthy because it's baked in olive oil, low in calorie, 0 trans fat and 0 cholesterol. Sea salt with chocolate, which is Krishna's favorite because it has a chocolate.
Sea salt, that is, the chips had no flavor at all. Like there was no sea salt flavor in it. It was just tasted like,
It's just pita chips with chocolate.
yeah, basically.
But the chocolate dip is delicious and I just like snacking. Since I want to be healthy, why not just snack on ragi chips?
Said no one ever.
Okay. The next thing we're gonna try are, you guessed it, so spice and peri peri.
And they're healthy.
And hunk. They taste like Szechuan chutney. Opening it for the first time.
I like this. It's good.
This tastes exactly like that one.
Does it?
Yeah. So if you're having ragi chips, just buy one of them.
Oh yeah. It just has more of the masala than they put in that.
Spiced. All of these things are supposed to be spiced, but they're like mildly spiced. They're like the healthy level of
And
spice.
I don't like any of them.
Jalapeno dip. I really like this. Krishna did. It's like nice and spicy, and they got to dip along with it. And it's really yum. I really like it.
These, they taste like they have ketchup on it and they sprinkle
It doesn't taste like ketchup. It tastes like chili flakes and jalapeno. Krishna is gonna try Alfonso chips. And this shit is expensive. It's for like $100. This tiny thing. It has 4 chips in it. I'm not even kidding.
She's not kidding.
But it tastes like like crunchy mango. So I don't know if that's.
And I don't think I'm a fan of that because it gets stuck in my tooth.
I've already had like one entire chip. And this is my second one because it's so yummy.
The texture of this throws me off a lot.
Makhana. Do you know what a makhana is? It's like lotus seed, not lotus, yeah, lotus seeds.
I love
Like
eating
these balls thingy.
plain makhanas with like butter and salt and stuff.
So my grandma makes really good makhanas, and one of her family friends was like, can I have some of your grandmom's white balls? So we have wasabi, we have cheddar cheese,
And pudina.
Krishna pose so that we can get cover photo. Okay.
That was not awkward. Oh my god, this smells so good.
Smell this.
my god.
Pudina hajmola.
Oh my god, this tastes like wasabi.
Oh my god, this is so good.
If you don't like wasabi, if you don't know what it is, you'd rather not buy it because you won't like it.
Or if you ever see wasabi, just take a spoonful. It has a really mild flavor.
Everything is like 30 grams and it's for $50.
Then have popcorn.
I don't like cheese.
Popcorn.
Now we're trying these things that look like dog food. Like they legit look like dog food.
Show me. Oh, by the way, I have glasses so I cannot see anything.
So I have chipotle ragi puffs and nacho cheese. Nacho. Jawar puffs. So like
Oh,
cereals.
can I tell you what happened this morning?
What?
So this morning, I was really interested to see if Nikki and I are telepathic. I call her Nikki because she's like really older. I meant. So I was trying to test if we were telepathic, and I was like, say a word at the same time, and both of us at the same time said savage.
Let's
and
recreate it. And then I'll do mama's face after that.
say a word at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Savage.
That was mummy. Savage. Classy. Ratchet.
Follow me on TikTok
Me too. Link down below.
or here.
Oh, my Instagram also.
Here.
Okay, so this smells like dog food.
I fucking hate cheese. But if you like cheese puffs, this exactly tastes like cheese puffs, and it's made up of jawar.
And this is made up of shit because that's what it is.
That's so rude. Be a little diplomatic. Okay, it looks like dog food though. Look at that.
This tastes like Cheetos. Cheese wala Cheetos.
I like this better. Our tastes are so different.
This
This
is
is so spicy. Chipotle, that's why. They also gave me free coffee because I bought things over $1,000.
It was free.
Yeah, and it's also free delivery if you buy over $1,000. We have like 5 more things left. I bought a lot of stuff. I bought a lot of stuff. Very berry trail mix. And if you know me, you know how much I love berries and fruits. So I had to buy it.
Oh, once she bought this giant packet of like different dehydrated berries. Attractive. And she finished it in like 2-3 days.
That's why I don't buy snacks because I can eat it like within an hour. I can eat all of this in an hour. I'm not even kidding.
You have really good like metabolism. If you can eat all of this.
You guys call me fat, but like considering how much I eat,
She is skinny.
I'm skinny.
I'm winning.
And all you bitches are ugly. That's a song.
No, she means it. Yeah, I want to eat this.
I love it. It's so yummy. I mean, it's just dried cranberries and strawberries.
Yeah.
It's nice. Recommend. Bhindi is my favorite vegetable.
Oh, same. I love bhindi.
It wasn't in the box. I bought it separately for 65 rupees a pack.
Break it. Take a bite. Oh, ASMR.
Yeah.
You ate it all.
ASMR.
That has so many flavors in it.
It tastes like bhindi with namak,
I don't like that.
spinach extract, coriander powder,
No wonder.
pudina, oil. Betrayed. So I got spirulina,
Either.
spirulina and moringa. I have no idea what these two things are.
Show me,
So-
let me read the back.
Let me know in the comments.
What is it?
These things are vegan and gluten free.
But I love me some chicken.
Me too. Oh, each was for $55. Oh, they have two.
It's white. If it's white, anything white.
Racist.
White chocolate is my favorite. Oh, this looks so cool.
Looks like seaweed.
It looks like the bottom of the ocean.
And this is how this looks. It tastes like chicky.
I really like this.
Which is also nice. So yeah,
Thanks so
we
much.
just reviewed like 20,000 snacks for y'all.
Hope you enjoyed my company.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
If you want me in more videos, just let her know.
Okay. What's your favorite?
I like these.
The chocolate
And the cheese.
pita and the cheese.
Surprise.
Healthy. She likes all the makhanas actually, they were pretty good. And I quote. I like the jalapeno dip because it was spicy, and I like the trail mix because berries. I hate to say it, but I like the mango thing, but it's so expensive, I don't think I'd be buying it again. Would you recommend this brand?
I think they did fine. I mean, if it is healthy, then I think it's good alternatives for eating unhealthy stuff.
Yeah, if you like to snack in between meals, so you'd rather do this, and it's pretty cheap also.
Do you like it? Which one's your favorite?
And crispy bindi. The makanas are good.
Do you think people will buy it? Should buy it?
They should buy it. But right now I think it's a little expensive. 60 rupees for one packet, I think. But it's tasty.
It's gluten-free, vegan, and non-fat, low cholesterol.
People who understand all these things will understand. A layman like me, myself, we will see how much it is and how expensive it is.
Anyways, I hope you liked this haul of ours, and I hope you stick around, like, share, subscribe. See you later, bitches. Bye.
Bye.